Today, I will be showing you how to create a character design sheet for comics and animations in Photoshop. First off, we'll need to open Photoshop or a similar program of choice. Once your program is open, you will need to create a new project. Set your canvas parameters to what you prefer or assume you'll need. You can always go back and change the size of your canvas. In your new canvas, you'll need to open your sketch for this character. Once the sketch is complete and implemented into your program, you can now begin on the line art stage. First, change the opacity of your sketch to see your line art more clearly, and add a new layer for the line art, and begin to line the sketch. When the line work is done, you may copy and paste pieces as necessary for different examples of the character's expressions. Next, you will need to copy and paste the entire full body drawing and flip the image horizontally. Place it next to the original drawing and begin erasing the inner lines as necessary to create a back view of this character. If the character has long hair, you should draw the back of the character's outfit through the hair. When all the line art is completed, you can now begin the coloring process. Create a new layer beneath the line art. Use your wand tool to select all the area outside of the character. Modify the selection as necessary through expand or contract. Inverse the selection and fill it with a color lighter than the line art, but darker than the background. Create a new layer and select the option to make the layer a clipping mask. This means the colors added onto this layer will not extend beyond the silhouette we just made. Now you can color as necessary. You may find you want to change colors along the way. Alter colors as you please, and be sure to adjust the colors on all colored images of the design sheet. After everything is colored, you may take further options to complete the design sheet, such as shading the front view. You may also write information about the character down and add a color viewer that has an easy palette to pick colors from when you are coloring your comic or animation. Now you have a completed character design sheet that you can use for any projects that require drawing this character repeatedly.